Okay, so here's the thing. Most likely issue na walang nag-spawn or walang makuhang item is because uh something called network desync where one of us, either ikaw or ako, I for a split second we lost connection to the server. Kaya at that
Oh.
point, parang the game treats that as if one of us has left the match. Kaya hindi
Hmm.
na natutuloy. Okay.
Paano ifi-fix?
So, uh, let's just hope na one of us doesn't lose connection in the middle of the game.
Okay. Sino
Okay.
mag-host?
Ako na lang ulit.
Sige.
Then come here.
Ayan.
Ikaw. Let's do this. Okay lang kahit yung first round lang kasi we're also keeping track of our scores. Lay
Okay.
1, B 0. By the way, yeah, there's a setting that lets us skip the intro, so we're here
Oh.
already. Okay.
Nice.
Mm. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's my turn.
Oh
Oh, baby.
no.
Oh, baby. All right, let me drink some beer real quick. Bada boom. Oh, it's okay. So it's a blank. Huh. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Let me just steal this. Let me steal
No.
that item. Ah, I see. I see. So let me just use this, and then
No.
let me just use this. There we go. And then let me steal. I'm so thirsty. Let me drink some beer real quick. Oh, interesting, interesting, interestingly, interesting. Are
What?
you keeping count?
No.
Okay, let me show you.
Oh, shit.
Next round, baby. Okay, and then this. Okay.
Wow, ang dami
Oh
ah.
my god, ang daming inverter. Hmm?
Ah.
Your turn.
Hmm.
Okay. You inverted it. Okay. Oh,
Ay, dapat
nice.
pala hinakto ko. Ano ba
I
yan?
know, right? I know, right? I know, right? But too bad, Lay. Let me just after all those beers, let me just pop a cigarette here. Oh yeah.
Para saan yung cigarette? Ah,
One
life.
life. Yeah,
Ba
it's one
yan?
life. Okay, and then what is this? I don't know. It's the last shell anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, it's
Ah!
wait.
What? What? What the heck?
What? Lay, you are
What?
lucky. Okay. Ooh, nice, nice.
Oh.
Okay, okay, okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Oh God, you have so many items. You have so many items, Lay. Oh my God. Okay, you inverted it. Okay. Hey, who did you call? What they say? What they say? Lay,
Secret.
sound it out. Okay, and then
Ay, wait lang. In-invert ko, di ba? Ano ba yan? In-invert ko pala. Daya, may cigarette siya.
Oh, never mind. It's all max is 4 seconds.
Ah!
You can't recover more HP. Whoops. Anyway, let me just. Someone's calling me right now. Let me put that. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Interesting. 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 Interestingly. Interesting. Uh, I honestly don't know what the next shot will be. So,
Ay!
man. It was a gamble. It was a gamble. Okay. Okay. Oh god, there it is. Yep. Hmm. Hmm. What is that?
Ang skip ng ano, ibig sabihin hindi ka magkakatira.
Oh god. Okay. Are you gonna do something? Okay. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, you don't have it. You can't use it. You don't have you don't have any more items. Ha! You can't kill me.
Ay! What?
Ah! Oh yeah, skip it. Okay. Haha, you can't kill me. Haha.
Ano ba yan?
Haha.
Ba't pala tinutok ko lang sa sarili ko eh.
Yeah. You know what, they? Who needs some help? It's still your turn, by the way. It's still your turn.
We?
Yeah. You skipped me. Remember? You skipped me.
Ay, oo nga.
The
Ay!
last two were blank. Say you inverted it, and there was all. Diba? It started out with three red shells and one. You inverted it, so 1-3, and then I was the only one who shot myself. I shot myself, so that's one. That's the only red shell.
Mm,
Anyway, hey, you want some sauce?
no. Oh no.
You have oh
Oh
how lovely, how
no.
lovely. Let me just use this. Let me use this.
No.
Okay, okay, and then okay, and then let me just use this. Let me just borrow this real quick. Okay, there we go. And then let me just call someone real quick. Don't worry about it.
No.
Mm, huh. I might as well use this, Lay. Honestly, I might as well use this.
Oh.
Oh!
I'm so lucky.
For you. Too bad for you, Lay. You can't steal my saw.
Ah.
Yes, yes.
Ay!
Oh! Let's go!
Patay.
Yeah! Oh, right, you skipped me. Right. You skipped me. I forgot about well, Lay. Surely this time it's a red shell, right? Surely. Yes, it is.
Oh.
But you know what the fourth shot is?
No.
Do you know? It's a
Ah.
blank. It's a blank. Okay, anyway. This, uh,
Ano nga ulit ginagawa ng soda?
uh, it, it ejects the current shell.
Oh,
So
okay.
basically, you don't have to shoot me or yourself, or you can skip around.
Hmm.
Okay, let me just do this, just in case, just in case.
Ang swerte ah. Nakuha mo yung
And
cigarette.
then, heart of the cards. Do
Ah!
God damn it. Okay. Oh, you pussy. You're a pussy.
Hala, walang lumabas. Ano ba yan?
Kasi there's only two shells inside. Ah, it's a blank. It's a blank. It's a blank.
Oo nga. Swerte mo
Okay.
ah.
Ooh, a lot of items. Ooh, okay.
Oo, dalawa lang.
Okay. They don't say it. Don't say it, eh. Okay.
Ano ba yan?
Let's use
Nakakuha na
this.
naman siya ng cigarette.
And then let's use this. Okay. 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 That's okay. Let me just use this as well. Okay. Mm. And then let me I'm just curious later.
No!
Okay. Uh, you know what, Lay? Let's not end this too soon. I'll give you a shot. I'll give you a shot. Try me, bitch. Try me. Yeah? Are you sure it's gonna be a red? Are you sure?
Malay mo lang.
Okay. Yeah, good idea. Good idea for the health. Yeah. Okay. Don't do it, Lay. Don't do it. Okay. Don't do it, Lay. Don't do it. Okay.
Oh no.
Blank. Yeah, I knew it. Hey, give me a cigarette, baby. Come on, cigarette. Uh, oh, Lay, do you have a cigarette? By any chance, Lay, do you have a cigarette?
Wala.
No. Oh.
Ang duga ni Byron may magnifying glass.
uh, love to see it, Lay. Okay. Okay.
Meron pang skipper. Saka pang stall. Ano ba yan?
Let's just use this real quick. Okay. Oh, it was a puzzle. I didn't know it was a puzzle, man. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's just check this how this works. Okay.
Oh.
So blank. Oh, I failed. Oh, never mind. Okay, that was it. Okay, that did
Ah,
work.
in-skip.
It did work. Yes.
In-skip mo.
Okay. 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 It was a blank. Okay. Let's just check what's inside. Okay, so let me just use this. Then there we go. And then let me.
No.
So now there should only be that. Okay. Go big or go home. If this isn't the shot, then that means I deserve to lose.
Yay!
I deserve to lose. I GG. It's a GG. Oh man, I GG lane. Yup. It was a gamble.
Hey.
I just like playing with my life today. I just like putting everything on that last shot.
Yan, for lives.
There you go. Okay. Alright. And then
Ah,
this.
dalawa lang.
Okay. Interesting.
May magnifying glass na naman siya.
Arbitrary pala siya. Oh, syempre. You know me. You know me. It's my turn.
No.
Let's start this game round with the
No.
Started with a bang. Bang.
No.
Good idea. Good idea. Mm, okay. This is gonna be one quick round, huh?
Oh, sheesh.
Yep, there it is. Well, I think we both know what's gonna happen next. So,
No.
if you're counting, Lay, you would know what shell this is. If you were counting.
Wala, kahit ano na lang. Wala yan.
Oh!
Ah!
No, Lay.
Hmm.
Let's be fair. Let's be fair, shall we? Let's play it fair.
No.
Let's be fair. Let's be fair about this, Lay. Come on. Come on, Lay.
Cigarette.
I want that high. Cigarette? Oh,
Oh
ooh.
no, may steal siya.
One
No.
shot to decide them all, Lay. One shot. Uh-oh.
No.
Uh,
Turn pa ni Byron.
it's yours. It's yours. It's yours.
Ay, akin ba?
It's yours, yes.
Yay.
Okay. Oh no. Uh-huh. Oh no. Oh, but I know. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I was about to. For some reason, I thought I was gonna use that on you instead. Man. Okay. Yeah, just yeah. No, no.
What?
Oh, oh, oh. Oh man. Just shoot me. Just shoot me. Do it. Do it.
Wala yan. Ay, meron.
Yeah. There it is. Ah,
Nanalo ulit ako. What?
I know, right? I know, right? Ah, man. Just my luck.
3 lives na lang.
Well, 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 Lay.
What? Oh no, turn ni Byron.
Let's do this, Lay. Let's do this. Heart of the cards. Heart of the cards. Heart of the cards.
No!
Oh, yeah. Well, I think it's GG anyways. Actually, no, never mind. I just got one more round in me. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Gonna be like that, huh? Well, this is unfortunately because I can just shoot you after this.
No.
Uh, actually, no, we don't know. Mm,
Tagal mo na. Ay, hindi. Isa na rin na lang pala
shush,
buhay ko eh.
shush, shush. Give me a second. I need to think. Okay, okay.
Ah,
At the end of the game, at the end of the day, this is a gambling game.
no!
Oh,
Ay, wala! Wala!
I win! I win!
Sheesh! Ang galing mo
Yes!
talaga.
Let's go!
Nice.
My gambling finally worked out. Well, you still win
Nice.
anyway. You still win anyway, so
GG's.
GG. You still won, but you know.
Ano na nangyari?
Most damage, most deaths, the chimney. The chimney.
Eh,
GG's. Do you know what the chimney means?
hindi.
The one who smoked the most cigarettes.
Chain smoker.
Uh, man.
Nice.
Yeah, to make it fair,
Sige.
5 rounds. Para like say volleyball, like you can win two, then we can win. I can win two. Then the deciding factor is yung last one,
Yes.
right? Sige. Then sige. Starting health, random, tapos number of rounds. Oh, can't go any more than 3 rounds. Ah man.
Sayang.
Man. Editing round. Editing round. What's editing round? What's that?
Try mo.
Oh well. Oh, sige. So like two, two editing rounds. Sige. Let's see how it goes. Sige. Then let's see, and then start game. Let's go. You got a jammer, baby. Okay. Alright. Ah, shit. Shit. Oh man. Ah, oh, no. Ah, god damn it. You're gonna pick it up? Okay. So this is gonna be a 50-50, huh? Well, if it's a 50-50, might as well use this.
No.
There we go. And then use this. I'll just shoot you twice. There we go. Doesn't matter because you're skip. And then bada bada boom.
Boom.
Oh, that's a lot of items. Oh,
Ooh.
that's a lot of rounds. Okay. And it's your turn. Oh no. Oh god. Okay. There's no way, bro. There's no way. There's no way. You're wasting a saw, man. Wasting a saw. There's no way. See what I mean?
Ay!
Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha. Too many blanks. Too many blanks. Okay. Forward. Okay. Let's see what this does. Okay. And let me see what this does.
No.
Okay. So I know. Okay, lay. Lay.
What? What is it?
What? What? It was? Oh, whatever. Oh no. Oh no, lay. Oh no. Oh no. Well, shit.
Saswetahin kaya ako o saswetahin ka?
Man.
Ah, saswetahin ka! What?
My turn, son of a
No!
bitch. My turn.
No!
Well, it doesn't matter because you can still shoot me anyways. You can still shoot me. Just shoot me. Shoot me.
Boom. Ay, wala. What? Bye-bye.
Not gonna lie. I lost count of what the hell the other shells are.
Oh, she. Nanalo ka. Nice.
First round gold,
GG.
baby. First round. First round. Not gonna lie. Did you invert it
Yeah. Ay, hindi.
in the beginning?
Sa beginning?
Huh?
Oo. Pero blank pa rin siya eh.
Yeah, I know, right? The hell, man.
Oh.
Lay. Oh my god, so many inverters. Okay, okay. Ew, it's your turn. Ew.
Ay!
Oh!
No!
Down for the count. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Let's see what's inside. Mm, I see. I see. Okay. If technically it's okay. 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 Let's see what this does. Okay. Uh-huh. Mm. Okay. Let's do this day. And then we do this.
Ah.
Okay, so now. Okay. Now. Now, Lay.
No.
Let's make it interesting.
No.
Let's make it interesting.
Ay!
Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh! So now it should be.
No.
Grrr. You gonna pick it up?
No.
Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Clean sweep!
No.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit. That was a blank anyways. Okay. 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 What are your items today? Okay.
Inverter. That pala
I
in-invert
know.
ko yun.
I know, right? Well, now's your chance, I guess. You have so many inverters. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, do it. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, yeah. But too bad for you, Lay. You know what, Lay? Just to make it interesting, let's do this. Let's do this, Lay. Boom, and then let me do this, like, and then let me do this.
Hindi mo na lang in-invert.
I know, right? Okay. Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Lay, 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 lay.
Ah. No.
Lay, are you going to use inverter on your next turn?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro,
Yes or
kung
no?
buhay
Yes or
pa
no?
ako,
Yes or no?
yes.
Yes or
Kung
no?
buhay pa ako, yes.
Okay, yes. Yes.
Ah!
Well, Lay, use your inverter. Come on.
Para fair, itatapat ko din sa akin.
No, no, no,
Ah,
no.
sige.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Do it.
Sige na nga.
Do it.
Ah!
Ah!
Oh, wala. Wala din, mamamatay din ako eh.
Ah, Lay. Okay. Wanna make it interesting, Lay? Let's make it interesting. Let's make it interesting.
Ah!
Oh, it was a
Ah!
blank anyways. It was a blank? Oh. Whatever, bro. Okay. Oh, is it my turn? Is it my turn? Oh,
Oh.
sweet baby. Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Oh, it is my turn. I'm not gonna use the cigarettes because make it fair. Man. Oh, you know what, Lay? You know what, Lay?
What? What?
Let's make it interesting,
Ah!
Lay. Let's make it interesting. Let's make it interesting. deserve to win after that one. I deserve to win that one.
GG!
Okay.
Nice!
Technically, the score is
Hey!
4-2 right now. You won 4 times. So I've only this is my only two wins.
Third round na agad.
Ah, yeah, baby, yeah. I can't believe that worked. Okay, interesting, interesting. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's your turn. Ah, god damn it. You're gonna use all of my items. Oh my god. Whatever. Just call me when you're done. My god. Mm, there it is. Yeah.
To make it interesting. Kasi blank
Yeah.
siya eh. Kasi
Yeah.
blank
No.
yung ano.
I mean, you could have shot yourself.
Okay lang yan. Ay!
God damn it. Skip you and you skip me, of course. Okay.
Meron kaya?
Oh
Ay,
god.
shit!
Okay. Okay. Hard the cards. Hard gamble. Gamble.
Ah!
Oh shit.
Yay! Nanalo ako.
Ah shit, man. It was literally one red and two blues, bruh. Oh man. So what's the editing round?
Oo nga, ano kaya yun?
Editing round.
Ano yung editing round?
Well, PS baby. My god.
Hey!
Anyway, it ends with a 5-2. So GG Slay.
GG's, nice game. Hey!
Good game. Oh my. Try nyo tong dalawa ni Roy. I think you'll like it.
Sige. Pero nalaro na namin siya sa Roblox eh.
But this is a different type of setting with different items, diba?
Yeah, oo nga.
So yan. Dito, pwede pa ako mag third wheel kasi it's interesting. Every round is very
Sige ba?
interesting.
Sige.
Uh,
I-invite ko
yeah.
siya.
Again, next time lang. Pero sige lang, I gotta go now.
Okay. Thank you
Bye.
for spending time with me.
Sure, anytime, anytime. Well, I say anytime, pero not every time. Pero anyway, see you later. Bye, bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.